Representative since day one.
Exactly,
Now,
you're the example of it.
Yeah, and you have to understand.
Okay, isa na to sa mga requested videos or reactions nyo sa akin. I-reviewin natin yung debate ni Kayo at ni Joey. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
That going to the House of Representative is not the only way to fight the House of Representative. Now, what I cannot understand is why the truth is dependent on the fact whether or not Magalong is going to be invited in the House of Representative in order to fight them.
Now, yung debate ng dalawa, nakasentro yon sa kung ano ba yung paliwanag, kung bakit ginagawa ni Magalong yon, ano ba yung mas maganda na way para makuha yung hustisya, makuha yung katotohanan, and accountability ng mga taong gumawa ng korupsyon doon sa flood control project.
No. Teka. ito yung point eh. In both houses, the Senate and ito yung lower house, parehas truth yung gagamitin mo, correct? You agree with that?
Exactly.
Okay, so walang difference sila sa pagtelling ng truth, right?
Exactly.
So there must be something else of value rather than telling the truth.
What do you mean?
Kasi kaya nga sinabi ni Mayor Magalong, yung sa Senate kasi mas credible tsaka mas maraming friend list dyan. May friend list yung Senate. So ibig sabihin the tension is not there. The tension is in the House.
What does that has something to do with truth?
No,
ibig sabihin,
yun nga yung point ko eh.
You can tell the truth in the Senate, you can tell the truth in the HOR, so why do you make any preference between, why Magalong has to make a special preference sa HOR over the Senate? Eh, yun naman pala, sinabi mo na, inamin mo na, pwede kang mag-truth telling sa Senate, pwede kang mag-truth telling sa
Exactly.
HOR. In fact, you can also do truth telling outside those spaces.
Ngayon, totoo naman yung sinabi ni Joey. You could do truth-telling in any of those venues or places or events. But, ang next na argument na ni Kayo dito is that aside from truth-telling, meron pang ibang makukuha si Magalong sa pagharap doon sa House of Representatives. Mainly, okay, yung shock value nung mga sasabihin niya doon sa House of Representatives. Kasi, kung magbibigay siya ng mga example or pruweba doon, of course, he can gauge the reaction of those involved kung magiging or magkakaroon man ng eksaktong congressman na nandoon, nagtatanong sa kanya. And yung reaction na yun is going to be vital for his decision on what to do and what to tell next. So, this is just one of the way that they could or Magalong could play out this kind of game with the House of Representatives. But yun nga yung hindi rin magets ni Joey dito sa argumento na to.
No, yun nga yung point na parang feeling kong hindi mo magets eh. Kasi hindi mo magets na you agree na either Senate or House of Representatives, truth is the weapon, right?
Why the preference? I agree, you can tell the truth anywhere. So,
Hindi, kaya nga. Wait. You agree with that, right?
Yes, you can tell the truth anywhere. So, can you please explain to me kindly why the preference over HOR?
Ito na nga. Kasi, ikaw lang naman yung nag-smuggle na it's about pinagtatapat mo yung Senate tsaka yung House as labanan ng truth. No, parehas truth.
No!
Ngayon, wait, ako muna, please.
I just said, no. Let me just, I am not pitting Senate and HOR. In fact, what I said, you can tell the truth anywhere.
Exactly.
Diba?
So, ano na value ng truth?
The value of the truth is something that you owe to the people.
No. Sabi mo kasi, ano difference ng sa Senate and then sa House? Eh kung truth lang din, tama? So ano na ngayon yung value ng truth dito? Maybe there's something else, not just that truth, right?
Ito yung hindi magets ni Joey kasi dito on how Magalong would not just be able to tell the truth but to be able to gauge yung reaction ng mga congressman while he is telling the truth. Kasi may mga tao talaga that are very tactician when it comes to delivering whatever they will be saying, kasi nga may makikita silang reaksyon doon sa tao habang nagsasalita sila. And again, that reaction is very important lalo na sa taong marunong or tactician.
You have to confront your enemies.
So ano exactly yon? Ano exactly yung confrontation na yon?
Yung confrontation na yun,
Value? What's the value?
unang-una, the value is how do they respond to the evidence that you have if you're face-to-face with them. That's an investigation 101.
And
That's why you interrogate the people,
what
right?
do you expect to solicit from there?
Ito yung nakaka-frustrate kay Joey. Hindi niya pa siguro alam kung ano yung pwedeng maibigay ng isang taong naratel at kung gaano ito kahalaga at kaimportante para magamit ng kalaban niya against sa kanila.
Of course, the truth. Yun nga. So, ang ginagawa mo,
Truth. Akala ko ba the value, there is something else aside from the truth?
No.
If you are going to continue to watch the video, hindi magets ni Joey kung paano na ang isang resource person would be able to get something out from the one who are questioning him. And I think that's the brilliance of Mayor Magalong. Pulis yan na highly intelligent, na nanggaling sa mga different kinds of interrogation, so on and so forth. And I believe he knows how to extract intelligence from the people even though na resource person siya. I do not want to believe na hindi kayang gawin ni Mayor Magalong yun kasi nga dahil lang sa tinuturing siyang resource person doon, or hindi mo ma-imagine kung paano niya gagawin yon as a resource person. And yun yung gusto kong mag-unfold, lalo na pag pinagbigyan siya na mapunta doon sa House of Representative. Hindi magiging mayor yan si Mayor Magalong if mahina siya when it comes to that. And again, multiple times na patunayan naman niya na kaya niya yung ganyang klaseng high level of game. Marunong maglaro yan si Mayor Magalong. Ngayon, syempre, kung hindi ka marunong sa ganyang klaseng laro, iisipin mo, paano kaya mangyayari yun? Na resource person siya, pero siya yung actually nakakapag-extract ng information doon sa mga congressman about sa pinaggagawa nila or sa corruption topic itself. Gets? Yung pinanggagalingan kasi ni Joey, yung pag-underestimate niya kay Mayor Magalong that he could actually do that and pull it off. Exciting ba nung debate nila? Well, like, share, and subscribe, and comment for more kung gusto nyong part 2 ng pag-dissect natin sa debate ni Joey at ni Caillou. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.